Wabbing, wabbing, bing, wabbing, bing, bing. Wa, bing, wabbing, wabbing. That's Duolingo. That's Duolingo for I love you. Wabbing. I think. I'm not sure. I don't know what this means. Okay. We're going to see examples of how to use the standard algorithm on tens place numbers. Tens place numbers like 10 times 10 or 11 or 20, numbers with the tens place. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, so let's say we have 22 times 13. Well, again, we start with this one. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. We come down, and we put a 0 to show that we're doing the tens place now. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we add the places. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 10. We bring the 1 in 10, that 1 in 10. We bring it over right here. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 306. Okay, what about 34 times 16? 6 times 4 is 24. We bring the 2 over here, the 2 in 24. That 2 in 24 goes over here. Okay, then we multiply 6 times 3, which is 18. But we have to add that 2 to the 18, so we get 20. Okay, then we come down right here, and we have to add that 0 to show that we're going to the tens place. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we add the place values. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 544. Okay, what about 56 times 37? That looks awful. 7 times 6, start right here. 7 times 6 is 42. And then we put the 4 right here. The 4 goes up here. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus that 4 is 39. And then we come down. We add the 0 to show that we're going to the tens place. 3 times 6 is 18. Then we bring that over here. Forget about this. 3 times 6 is 18. We brought the 1 in the 18 over here. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus that 1 is 16. So we put the 6 right here. And then put the 1 from the 16 right here. Then we add the place values. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is... What is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8 is 17. Bring that 1 over. Bring the 1 over right here. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus that 1 is 10. Then bring the 1 over. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we have 2072. Okay, what about 16 times 17? Okay, well, 6 times 7 is 42. Put the 4 over here. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. Okay, then we go down right here. We add the 0 to show that we're doing the tens place. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, now we add the place values. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 7 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now let's do one more. Okay, let's do 62 times 62. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Bring the 1 right there. And we add a 0 to show that we're going to the tens place now. 6 times 2 is 12. Bring that 1 right there. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus that 1 is 37. add 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 7 is 8, and then just 3 right here. 3,844. And we're done. Okay, stay in school.